Hey all, welcome to this week's Forex analysis, as well as we go over the master candles for the week for the ForexBunkers method. First off, we'll start off with analysis. We'll start off with GU. This is a daily chart. As you can see, we've formed quite a nice pin bar on the last day. But this week we started off with this candle here. No, sorry, this candle here. So it's quite a bearish first 2 days, but this bearish move that we had did not make any really new lows from swing points. So we had our topping out just on this candle on the Thursday. Friday we did a 50% retracement, and then we pushed past, but we did not make a new low. So we're still heading up. Next couple of days of the week we had a push up and a really big push around here when the US news came out. After the US news came out and after the push up, things started to settle down, and it was quite good news for the US. So this is what we're left with, is a pin bar. So I reckon we'll see a further push down. Could see a nice retracement to break this low, but that's we'll have to wait and see if that happens. If not, I reckon we'll see a push down, as I just said, and then a continuation on a further look on the upside. Got some pretty big support and resistance coming up on the way up, so just watch out for that. And if we do move down, we've got all these swings points to consider. Let's have a look at GJ. GJ just really moseyed on around, but with a bearish sentiment a little bit more. I'll just move this up, make it a little bit nicer. As you can see, there is a daily trend line that comes through here. I'm pretty sure it's about there. It's dated a long way back, a couple of years I think, from memory. But still holding above this trend line. I think we will break it this week for a further push down to probably test this 126.50, 127.50 area. It's about 100 pip difference in between those two, I think. So I reckon we'll see a nice bounce off this zone for a further push up before continuing down. We'll wait and see for that. Overall, it was a bearish move this week. We started off exactly like GU, and I think we'll be continuing down for just this pullback. As you can see, price has been stepping down, so I think we'll continue that trend on the way down. Let's have a look at the master candles for the week. First master candle was on GU. This is a GU 1 hour. Now the first one was, let me just find it. Just here. But we didn't get a break on, oh hang on. No, we didn't get a break on B1, 2 or 3 candle, which is this one, and this one. So it wasn't a trade, but as you can see, the market did start to step up higher. And we got to this candle, and this is where we did get our master candle for the week, for about 60 pips. All up. It broke this on the B1, B2 candle, straight up for our profit, which was a nice trade. The other one was on GJ. Now this was a long as well, but this long, we're just going to call it as break even, and I'll show you why. The master candle is found here, and we traded long off this. We entered into some resistance, and we didn't get stopped out, but it just moseyed on up. And this high point from our entry is about 50 pips, and if you waited that long, you would have got 50 pips. Otherwise, we'll just call it break even, because this price didn't really break out as we want, and it was two and a bit days, so that's enough. So if you didn't get out, try to get out break even and just leave it at that. Wait for the next setup. So this week it was a 60 pip overall. So not too bad for the master candles. Remember, the master candle method from ForexBunker.com is a slow and steady method, but overall it's got a high probability of success. So be patient with it, take its time, and good luck with all your pips. I'll talk to you soon.